Hop into the 2019 Honda Pilot. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Take a closer look at this super capable Pilot. Safe, strong, and refined, it's the go-to SUV for family road trips, cargo hauling, towing, or scenic cruising. With seating for up to 8 passengers, a comfortable and spacious cabin, and the latest connectivity technology, it has everything you need to power your adventures. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, satellite radio, fog lamps. Modern refinement meets rugged capability in this family-friendly Honda Pilot. Come on in and take it out for a drive.